Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the electronic control board in your dryer. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the dryer isn't responding to any inputs at all, or because it's just not working at all. For this repair, all we'll need is a 1/4-inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we'll be using. It's a Maytag Maxima X. Keep in mind that yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So all we have to do now is turn our dryer around. Now we'll be removing the 2 screws here holding our top on. And once you've removed those 2 screws, you can pull back on the top panel and then lift up and remove it. So here's our control board. In order to get that out, we need to unplug all these wires and then take out a screw. Keep in mind some of these have little tabs that you just have to push in the sides to release them. And now we'll use our 1/4-inch nut driver to remove this screw. Once you get that screw out, you'll take the control board and shift it over to the side and then pull straight up. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement control board. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So if you look at the bottom of the control board, you'll see these tabs sticking out. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up those tabs with the slots, slide it in, and once you slide the control board into place, we'll screw it back down. And then once we've got that back in, we can plug everything in. All the wires have just one spot where they can go, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Now that we've got it all plugged in, we can put the top back on. Now if you take a look at one of the sides on the panel, it's got these slots that go all the way down. Those slots correspond to each one of these tabs here. So when you put the top panel back on, you're going to want to try and make sure that those slots line up with the tabs. And as long as everything lines up, the top panel will slide in there nice and easy, and your back hole should line up nicely so we can screw it back in. And once you got that screwed in nice and tight, you can turn it back around and your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.